The team here at AgMaps would like to share with you our mapping and scouting app. To get started, press on New Field in the upper left-hand corner and proceed to set the field boundary. We can accommodate all shapes of fields. Drag the takeoff icon to your estimated home location. Setting up a new field will require an internet connection. You may assign a map name along with grower, farm, and field by pressing on Planning Map at the top of the page. To prepare for the mission, select Settings at the bottom of the page to estimate the flight time. After arriving at the field, double-check your flight settings. Utilize our wind indicator to optimize the drone's flight path. Once you've received the Cleared for Takeoff under Flight Status, press the green Takeoff button. The ship will ascend to flight altitude and begin flying the mission. Use this time to utilize the visual and plant health layers to understand the field's variability that you would like to further scout. After landing, utilize the annotation feature to pinpoint areas of interest on the map. Use as few or as many points as you would like. After all the areas of interest are selected, automated or manual ground truthing may be used. To use our automated scout feature pinpoint, press on the scout location at the top of the window. Carefully set your capture and transit altitudes. Make sure your transit altitudes will clear all obstacles. Just like before, press the green takeoff button when you are cleared for takeoff. The drone will transition to each point and descend to your set capture altitude to take a super high resolution picture. After the drone has completed the automated scouting process, the high-resolution images will upload and be attached to the points. Pressing on each of the pinpoints will allow you to observe and make notes on the selected areas. You may choose to walk to each point and make observations as well. We offer a scouting report so that the information may be shared instantly. Each image may be cropped in the scouting report to display the correct information. There are multiple ways of sharing the data. For more information, please visit our website at www.agmaps.us or Facebook by searching for AgMaps Inc.